Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about SBEV stock or Splash Beverage Group Inc. Now I am looking at this stock at least I think after a year because it was one of those stocks, I mean which have performed quite well in the past, and then we have seen some very big swings on the downside, but then again an up move has already started. And I'm not talking about daily swings. I look at big swings over a period of time, and if the trend remains and if the trend sustains, obviously the trend is intact. So this is the simple thing to understand, and the levels that we are going to look at will be as follows. So let us see what lies ahead as far as Splash Beverage Group or SBEV stock. And please don't go beyond the range in this case, because the stock is moving within the range. So right now you have a dollar which is your support, and you have 0.75 which is your stop loss. So please don't go below these two specific levels. Simultaneously, the immediate target we have in front of us is 5.6, then the next target $9, the third target or the big target I think is $15. There is an extension, but the probability of this move is very less. But if it happens, it will push the stock towards $27. But this is basically a trading swing, so which will not sustain. Okay, there is a probability that it will, but think that it will not sustain and take your profits back. So the big trend or the active trend is this highlighted section, and this is the extended trend, so the probability here is less. So focus on the trend, and if you are getting a good profit, take your profit back as soon as possible. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.